Morning children, today we are discussing page number 67, exercise 5.1, second Roman now. Divide by repeated subtraction, find their quotient in each case. Now this is also looking like first Roman only. Okay, now you have to do this as a repeated subtraction, means subtraction is doing there. So 36 divided by 9. So subtraction means in the first Roman C1, 16 minus 4, 12 minus 4, 8 minus 4, 4 minus 4, like that their minus given, no? That is subtraction mean. So first 36 minus 9. We have to subtract. We are doing subtraction up to when you get the 0 answer. We will continuously do that subtraction now. 36 minus 9, 27. Now 27 minus 9. We have to subtract with 9 only. Why? Because here division given, no, division with 9. So we have to do any number what you get from that, we have to subtract that number. Now 27 minus 9, 18. 18 minus 9, 9. 9 minus 9, 0. So when you get this 0, then it will completed. That is only repeated subtraction. That means in the Roman number 2 what given? Divide by repeated subtraction. Divide by repeated subtraction. Divide. This is repeated subtraction and division. We have to do this division. Here you got four steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. So quotient is 4. What? 4. When how many steps you got? That is only quotient. Like that. Okay. Now B sum. 8 divided by 2. So 8 minus 2. How much? 6. 6 minus 2. This 6 minus 2. Repeated subtraction of 2. So 4. 4 minus 2 again. 2. Now 2 minus 2. 0. So how many steps will get? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. The answer repeated subtraction what you get? 4. The quotient is 4. Okay. Their quotient also 4 only. Now see sum. 12 divided by 3. So 12 minus 3. Subtraction of minus 3. So 12 minus 3, 9. Now 9, what you get from that? Again 3 subtract. Now 9 minus 3, 6. 6 minus 3, 3. 3 minus 3, 0. So answer got no 0. When you got this, now we will count the steps. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So quotient is 4. This is also. Okay. Now D sum. 56 divided by 8. 56 minus 8. Subtract. 56 minus 8. 48. Next 48 minus 8. 40. 40 minus 8. 32. 32 minus 8. 24. 24 minus 8. 16. 16 minus 8. 8. 8 minus 8. 0. 0 got no? No, leave it. So, this subtraction you know very well. That's why I'm telling very fastly this. Okay, now how many steps we get? We get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, 7 is the quotient here. What? 7 is the quotient. Now, E sum. 25 divided by 5. 25 minus 5. 20. 20 minus 5. 15. 15 minus 5. 10. 10 minus 5. 5. 5 minus 5. 0. So 0 got no? Now how many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So quotient is 5 here. Understand children? Now like this way you have to do F, G, H, I. Okay, 4 sums. That is only homework. F, G, H, I. And now I will go with third Roman, page number 68. Open page number 68, third Roman, open it. Okay. In this Roman, I will explain everything. But you have to do in the second Roman, F, G, H, I in your math, C, H, W. Okay, no need to write that in your C, W. Continue that third Roman in your maths, CW. Okay. Third Roman. Write 2 division facts for each of the following. We know already division facts and multiplication facts. Before I said no already. So you have to follow that and you have to do like that. Now division facts we have to find out now. They're given multiplication fact. Okay. Now A sum. 6 into 8 equals to 40. This is multiplication fact now. How you get division facts? We will get two division facts here. How it's from this 8 from this side, we will get division. That is division. Anything equal from equal to anything, it will come like this means we will read that division like a division. Okay. Now when it's come 6 also, this is also division here. Okay. Divided to 48. Now first fact what? 48 divided by 8 equals to, answer is what you not have here, 48 is there, 8 is there, remaining R6 is not there. That is only answer here. Now next fact is 48 divided by 6 is equal to 8. Understand children? First 48 will common in the division facts, means equal after number common, but this numbers will divided to this number. So what you not have in that numbers, that is only answer here. Two division facts they are asking now. So these are two division facts. Third Roman B sum 6 into 4 equals to 24. So first do this and next do this. Now 24 divided by, now here symbol is changed here into, here when it's come 4 this side divided I said no. So 4 equals to 6 not there. So 6. Again 24 common. 24 divided by 6 equals to 4. This is one fact and this is one division fact. Now see sum. 7 into 8 equals to 56. This is multiplication fact. We have to divide this as a division fact. Now 56 divided by 8 equals to 7. Or 56 you have to write this side also. No problem. Okay. 7 divided by 56 equals to 8. Like that. This is also division fact. This is also division. When you have to find out the division fact or multiplication fact, we have to observe this symbol. This symbol must and should. We have to keep this symbol means this is division fact. You have to keep this symbol means this is multiplication fact. Okay. Now D sum. 5 into 4 equals to 20. Okay. Now first divided by 20 and divided by 4 and divided by 5. So 20 divided by 4 equals to 5. 20 divided by 5 equals to 4. This is one fact, this is one fact. Okay. Now E sum. 6 into 7 equals to 42. So we have to do division from like this. 42 divided by 7 equals to 6. 42 divided by 6 equals to 7. This is one fact and this is one fact. These two are called division facts for this number. Okay. Now F sum 9 into 4 equals to 36. This is division fact now. Divided to with 4 and next divided with 9. 36 divided by 4 equals to 9. 36 divided by 9 equals to 4. Understand children? This 36 should be right here also, no problem. G sum 5 into 8 equals to 40. So first divided by with 8 and next 5. So 40 divided by 8 equals to 5. 40 divided by 5 equals to 8. Like this. These also division facts for this sum. This is multiplication fact. These two division fact. Like this, we have to solve this third Roman division fact. I hope you all are understand children. If you have any doubts, message me. I will reply to you. And copy these all sums in your Maths CW with pen. Okay. Thank you children. Bye-bye.